You know that feeling when Amazon suggests tools you didn't know you needed, but now you can't live without? Today we're diving into some wild, genius, and slightly questionable woodworking tools. Some will upgrade your shop, others might just confuse your brain. Let's find out. Today we're checking out the POWERTEC Dust Collection Hose Attachment. Because sanding without dust chaos sounds like a dream, right? With a 10-foot hose, multiple adapters, and 5 sanding grits included, it fits most tools easily. Less mess, better airflow, and smoother workflow. Your hands stay comfortable, and your workshop stays clean. Finally! Freehand routing can be risky, but this tool makes it smarter. Meet the Woodpeckers. Freehand Guard 2.0. Built for router tables, it features dual pivot points for better control, a clear safety guard, and captures over 90% of dust. Safer cuts, cleaner workspace, and smoother operation. Perfect for precision woodworking tasks without the mess. Tired of juggling jaw pads while tightening your vise? Meet the ShopFox Cam Clamp. With strong magnets, these non-marring wooden pads stay perfectly in place for quick setups. No slipping, no frustration, just faster, smoother clamping. Available in multiple sizes to fit most vices, making your workflow way more efficient. Need power and precision in one saw? Meet the SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. With a 15-amp motor hitting 4,800 revolutions per minute, dual bevel cuts, and an LED shadow line for accuracy, it handles 2x12 cuts with ease. Smooth, precise, and built for serious woodworking. This one's a game changer. Holding projects alone can be a struggle, but not anymore. The Rockwell JawStand XP acts like your extra pair of hands. With a stable tripod base, non-marring grips, and a swiveling head for perfect positioning, it keeps everything secure. Plus, the built-in bubble level ensures your work is always perfectly aligned. Precision matters, and these small tools make a big difference. Meet the TSO 20mm Chamfer Dogs. Designed for accuracy, they self-center and self-square even in worn holes. No bulky collar means a clean, flush surface for perfect alignment. Compact, reliable, and ideal for repeatable cuts. This is next-level workbench precision. Small blocks, big impact. Meet the Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks. These handy tools lift, stabilize, and hold your workpiece for cutting, gluing, or assembly. Durable, versatile, and super easy to use. They improve accuracy and workflow instantly. Perfect for DIYers and pros who want cleaner, more efficient project setups. Not essential, but once you use it, you won't go back. The Saddle Square makes marking lines around corners fast and effortless. No repositioning needed. Whether it's Veritas or a vintage Bridge City, it's a small tool that saves time, boosts accuracy, and quietly becomes your go-to in the workshop. Struggling to get perfect fits every time? This complete scribing kit makes it easy. With a durable aluminum body, adjustable locking arm, and deep-hole tracer pencil, it handles wood, metal, and complex contours effortlessly. Precise, versatile, and built for pros, it turns tricky measurements into clean, accurate marks every single time. Clean grooves, perfect joints. This tool delivers. Meet this classic-style plow plane. With a rosewood fence, adjustable depth, and multiple blades, it cuts precise grooves, rebates, and tongues effortlessly. Smooth, accurate, and built for serious woodworking. Perfect for cabinet makers who want clean, professional results every single time. Clamping setups just got a serious upgrade. Meet the MATCHFIT Grid Router Guide by Microjig. It lets you create perfect dovetail clamp grids fast. No measuring, no guesswork. With self-indexing for precise spacing, you get full control, flexibility, and rock-solid clamping anywhere. Build smarter jigs, workbenches, and fixtures. This tool is a total game changer. Small project? Big sanding problems? Meet the Milescraft Sand-It. This compact, multi-sided sanding block handles curves, corners, flat surfaces, even tight spaces with ease. Swap grits in seconds and tackle any detail work effortlessly. Versatile, quick, and super handy. It It's the one sanding tool you'll keep reaching for every time. Want razor-sharp edges every time? This dual-side leather strop has you covered. With a smooth side for fine honing and a suede side for stropping, plus premium polishing compounds included, it sharpens knives, chisels, and more effortlessly. Durable, ergonomic, and versatile, perfect for achieving a flawless professional finish on every edge. This might be the strangest sanding tool you'll see. Meet the Sandsall, a dual handheld system with a flexible sanding element stretched between two tools. It's definitely creative and great for niche tasks like louvers, but for everyday sanding, a bit questionable. Still, love the innovation. Sometimes weird ideas lead to breakthroughs. Handling heavy logs just got way easier. Meet the LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry Multitool. It combines a hauler, cant hook, and timberjack in one smart system. Lift, roll, and position logs with less effort, while reducing back strain. Strong, versatile, and built for serious woodwork. It's a total game changer for anyone working with logs. One blade, endless possibilities. Meet the Milwaukee Multitool blade. With universal open lock fit, titanium-enhanced durability, and aggressive teeth, it cuts wood, metal, plastic, and more with ease. Fast blade changes, clean plunge cuts, and pro-level precision. Perfect for DIYers and pros who want efficiency without switching tools constantly. Tired of messing up inside measurements? The Easy Measure Stick makes it simple. Just capture and transfer, no numbers needed. With extendable reach up to 94 inches, a mini stick for tight spots, and a bonus pinch stick for squaring cabinets, it's perfect for trim, molding, and precise fitting work every single time. Forget swirl marks. This sander keeps it clean. Meet the Festool BS75 belt sander. Designed to sand along the grain, it prevents sanding rings and saves rework time. With a powerful motor and balanced design, it's easy to handle and perfect for flat surfaces, veneers, and smoothing imperfections fast. Featherboards feel outdated? This fixes that. Meet the Harvey Compass Universal Roller Guides. With dual rollers, one-way bearings to reduce kickback, and adjustable pressure, they hold your workpiece smoothly and safely. Less chatter, better cuts, and more control. Perfect for table saws, bandsaws, and router tables. Precision meets safety. Clamps getting in your way? Not this one. Meet the inline clamp. It applies up to 250 pounds of side pressure, keeping your workspace clear while holding pieces securely. With a swiveling head, easy dial adjustment, and bench dog compatibility, it's versatile, powerful, and perfect for clean, hassle-free woodworking setups. Alright, that's it for today's tool madness. Which one was your favorite? And which one made you go, why does this even exist? Comment below. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll bring more crazy genius tools your way. See you in the next one.